central Ohio, Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, southeastern Carroll County in east central Ohio, northwestern Belmont County in east central Ohio, southwestern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:51 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cadiz, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Whitton, Steubenville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Toronto, Wintersville, Mingo Junction, Follinsby, New Cumberland, Hopeedale, Smithfield, and Jewett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. This is NOAA Weather Radio KIH 35 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, operating on 162.55 megahertz, with a power output of 1,000 watts on a transmitter located on the WQED tower, with broadcast originating from the National Weather Service in Lynn Township, Pennsylvania. Nearshore forecast. For the following nearshore location, Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley, New York. Small craft advisory in effect from 10 a.m. this morning through Monday afternoon. Today, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots becoming west. Showers with a chance of
PBZ.
showers from late morning on.
Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you, PBZ.
Waves occasionally around 9 feet. Tonight, west winds 15 to 25 knots becoming northwest. Showers. Waves 4 to...
This is the shit I have to deal with when PBZ pulls an SVR out of their ass at 5 a.m. in the morning, just like they are right now.